Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, good. Now, before we start the class, I will check your attendance first, okay? Okay. Ahmad Rizky.
Hadir, Miss.
Okay, good. Diva.
Hadir.
Okay, Fadil.
Hasan.
Okay, Zulfa.
I'm here, Miss.
Okay, and Riga. Okay, all of the students come here in the class. So before we start to the lesson, I want you to sing a song, and the song titled Hello Song. Okay, you can follow the instruction here, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Hello, 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 how are you?
Hello, 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 how are you?
I'm great.
I'm
Wonderful.
I'm good. I'm great.
I'm
Wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired.
I'm tired. I'm
hungry.
hungry.
I'm not so good.
I'm tired.
I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Okay, I will
Lagi, Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
I'm good. Okay.
I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
I'm tired. I'm tired.
I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Okay. Okay, thank you, class. So now we are going to do the learn today, okay? Before we start, I want to ask, do you remember what we learned in the previous meeting?
No.
Yeah?
No, man. Forget.
No one knows?
No.
Okay, in the previous meeting, we have learned about ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers. So today, we are going to learn about time. Do you know time?
Yes, I know.
What is time?
Time is clock.
Time is waktu, yes?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, let's talking about the time. Of course, we need a clock. Anyone know clock? Yes, this is a clock. Okay, in a clock, there are 12 numbers from 1 until 12. And there are two hands. This one, minute hand, and this one, hour hand. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, I want you to spell the number 1 until number 12. Repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
one of you, each of you, spell the number which I point. Okay, if I point this one, so you must say 9. Okay, if I point this one,
6.
okay, good. Start from Riga.
5,
Okay, good.
3.
Okay,
9,
okay,
11,
and then
12.
good. Now from here, this one,
7.
this one,
5, 4,
this one,
2.
this one.
1.
Okay, good. Now, I want you to wait a minute. I want you to write down on the whiteboard. I need 2 of you to write down number 1 until 12 on the board. Who wants to do this?
Riga.
Okay, and one.
Zumba.
Okay, I will give an example first. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you must write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, Riga, please come here. Okay. Write them. Here. Good. 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good. Now Zulfa. Great.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Thank you, Zulfa. Now I have an information for you. If you want to ask about the time, there are 2 ways to ask it. The first one, what time is it? And the second one, please could you tell me the time? So there are how many ways?
2.
So the first one,
What
time is
it?
and then the second one,
How could
Please.
you tell the time?
please
Please
could you
could you
tell me the
Please could you
time?
tell-
Okay, there are 2 ways.
Yeah.
Okay. So today, now I want to ask you about the time, and you must answer it. Okay.
Okay.
And when someone asks you about the time, you can answer, it is blah 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 o'clock. For example, I ask you, what time is it? It is 5 o'clock. Okay. Now I want to ask Fadil, what time is it?
Is it 7 o'clock?
Good. And now I want to ask Diva, what time is it?
Is it 3 o'clock?
It is 3
o'clock.
o'clock. Good. Now, please could you tell me the time, Riga?
It is 10 o'clock.
Good. It is 10 o'clock. And then now, Zulfa, what time is it?
It is 6 o'clock.
Okay, good. Now, Rizky, please could you tell me the time?
1 o'clock.
It is.
It is
Yes.
1 o'clock.
Okay. Now I want you to sing a song, and the song title is What Time Is It? You can follow the gesture here, okay? You need to sing this song 3 times, okay?
Okay.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. What time is it? What time is it? Please could you tell me the time? It's 1
o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. is it? Please could you tell me the time? O'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock.
It's
It's
11.
11 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Okay, please repeat again, okay?
Okay.
Please.
Lagi.
Tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. What time is it? What time is it? Please could you tell me the time?
It's
1 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. What time is it? What time is it? Please could you tell me the time?
7
O'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Okay, one more time, okay?
Lagi.
Okay.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
What
Time
time?
is it? What time is it? Please could you tell me the time?
It's
1
1
o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tock, tock. Time is it? What time is it? Please could you tell me the time? 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Yay! Okay, now you have already sing the song, and then the next I will give you a task for you. Each of you will have this paper, and all you have to do is answering these questions. Okay, there are 12 questions, but before you answer the question, you should write down your name here. Okay.
Okay.
Then answer the questions.
Questions.
And then how to answer the question? You can see the picture and then look at our hand. For example, the first question, the our hand point to 3. Okay, good. So you can write down here. It is 3 o'clock. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now I will give you one by one. You have your pencil, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Mom, is in there.
Okay, thank you. If you have any question, you can ask me, and I'll give you 15 minutes to answer the questions, okay?
Okay.
When you have finished, you can give it back to me.
Lumis.
Miss.
Good, Lupa. I'll take it first.
Miss, done. Pass.
Okay, thank you. Great.
Lumis, Lumis, Lumis.
Yes, thank you.
Come on, Liga.
Ooh.
Yeah, don't
No, 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 no.
Yeah.
Calmly, girl. Have you finished?
Yes.
Good. Yeah, all of you has done this task, and I think all of you has understand about this material.
Yes.
Yay, good. Now we are going to do the last activity of our class. Okay. Now I have a game, and the name of the game.
What, Miss?
Okay.
It is called What Do You Do? What time do you? Okay.
Okay.
So the rule of the game is when I ask you what time do you blah blah blah, you have to answer about the time. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
For example, I ask you what time do you have your breakfast,
Yes.
and then you have to answer I have breakfast on at blah 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 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
For example, I ask Zulfa, what time do you take a bath?
I have to take a bath at 6 o'clock.
At 6 o'clock. So
Right.
you can put at 6. Great. Okay, now I will ask Fadil, what time do you have your breakfast?
I have my breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Just move it.
Yay!
Hey Riga, what time do you go to school?
At 8 o'clock.
At 8 o'clock. Okay, great. And now Diva, what time do you get up?
At 6 o'clock.
Okay, now Rizky, what time do you go to bed?
Go to bed. 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock?
Yeah, because aku
But-
suka begadang.
But this is
Eh.
okay.
Dengerin dulu.
What I think?
5.
5 o'clock.
Ih.
So Rizky go to bed at 5 o'clock. Okay, maybe that's all for today. But before we end the class, I have some homework for you. So you should do this homework, and when you have some question or you confused, you can ask your parents. And in the next meeting, you must bring this paper to the class and give it to me.
Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. This one. Okay, but that's all for today. Thank you for coming and see you in the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. See you, miss.
Okay.